Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to return an item on Zara app. It's super easy and convenient. So let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto the profile icon from the down right corner of your screen. Once in your profile interface, tap onto the purchases. Here, I have not ordered anything yet, but for you, I'm going to guide you how to return your purchased item. Here, you will see a list of your recent orders. Find the orders with the item you want to return and tap on it. Once you are on the order detail page, you will see an option called Return Items. Go ahead and tap that. Next, Zara will ask you to select a reason for the return. Choose the one that best fits your situation from the drop-down menu. This helps Zara improve the service, so don't skip it. Now, you will need to choose how you want to return the item. Zara offers two main options: drop off at a designated location or schedule a home pickup. Pick the one works best for you. Finally, review your return details. Once everything looks good, confirm your return request by tapping submit. Zara will send you a confirmation email or notification with all the details. And that's it. Returning an item on the Zara app is simple.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.